Okay, class 9. So today we are going to learn middle term factorization. This is very much important because if you don't learn it now, you'll face a lot of problem in class 10. So let's see how to factorize using middle term. So let's take a question: 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. This is a quadratic equation. What is 2 here? 2 is coefficient of x square, 7 is coefficient of x, and 3 is constant term. So the first step what you have to do is multiply the constant and coefficient of x square. In some cases you will find nothing before x square, so in that case the coefficient of x square will be 1. So here the coefficient of x square is 2, so 3 2 ja 6. Now next step what we have to do is we have to do this prime factorization of 6. So what we get, 2 3 ja 3 1 ja. Now we have to break this 6 into two factors. You can do is 3 2 ja 6, 6 into 1 it's 6, or else you can do 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. What we get is 6. Okay, we can do 2 into 3 or 6 into 1, we get 6. So we have broken the 6 into factors. Now we will consider only those factors which on addition or subtraction gives us the middle term. Is that clear? Like 2 plus 3. First of all, let's consider this factor. 2 plus 3 is 5. Is there 5? No. We can also do 3 minus 2. What we get? 1. Is there 1? No. Here we have 7. So let's consider this. 6 minus 1. What we get? 5. Do you find 5 here? No. But if we add 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Yes. We are getting middle term 7. So what we will do is we will consider this factor, because in this factor if you add we are getting the middle term. So what we will do now is we will split this 7 and we will write 6 plus 1 into x in place of 7 plus 3. Now if you open this formula we will get 6 into x is 6x, 1 into x is x plus 3. Now look for the common factor in the first two terms. Group them into two terms and look for common factor from the first two terms. Yes, we get 2 because 2 3 is 6, so 2 is a common factor, and don't you think that x will be common? So 2x is common. Now what we are left with in the first term is x, and 2 3 is 6, so here we are left with 3. There is nothing common in this two term except 1, so we will take 1 common, x plus 3. Now in the next step x plus 3 is common in both this, so we will take x plus 3, we are left with 2x and plus 1. So this we have factorized this equation. Now let's take another question. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So what is the first step? First step is we have to multiply the constant and coefficient of x square. Constant and coefficient of x square, multiply them. 6 6 is 36. Then what we have to do is we have to do the prime factorization of 36. So 2 9 is 3 3 ja. Is that clear? So we have to make two factors of 36. Now 2 into 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. How much is 2 into 18? It is 36. Let's take two terms. 2 to 4 and 2 terms. 4 9 is also 36. Is that clear? Now let's take 3. 2 to 4, 4 to 12, and 12 3 36. So 12 into 3 will also be 36. Now we have to consider only those factors which on addition or subtraction gives us 5. For example, let us take 2 in 18. How much is 2 plus 18? Is 20. And 18 minus 2 is 16. Do you find 16 or 20 here? No, we will not consider this factor. Now take this. 12 plus 3 is 15 and 12 minus 3 is 9. Do you find 15 or 9 here? No. We'll also not consider this. Now let us take this factor. What is 9 plus 4? 13. Do you find 13 here? Okay, now subtract this. 9 minus 4 is 5. Do you find 5 here? Yes. So we will go with this factor. 9 minus 4. We are getting middle term 5. So 6x square. In place of 5, we are going to write 9 minus 4. We are going to write 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 into x minus 6. So 6x square plus 9 into x is 9x minus 4 into x is minus 4x minus 6. So group them into 2. From the first two term, what do you think? What is the common term? 3. Because 3 to the 6 and 3 3 is 9. So 3 is common and 1x will be common. So we will be left with 1x and 3 3 is 9. So 3 multiply. Sorry, here we will be left with 2. So 3 2 6. X into x is x square. 3 3 9x. Okay. Now in both this term, there is a minus term, so we will take minus, and 2 is common. 2 2 4, 2 3 6. So don't you think 2 is common? So we will take 2. So we will be left with 2x and plus 3. Is that clear? You can also check by multiplying it again. Minus 2 into 2, it's 4x. 2 into 3 is 6, plus minus minus. Now in the next step, what we see is 2x plus 3 is common. So we'll take 2x plus 3 common. You will be left with 3x and here minus 2. So this is middle term factorization. Okay. So you'll get questions in the group. Try to solve them.